Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will make strawberry meringue. But today I'm not going to cook. My wife can do it better. So she is going to show us how to make this delicious dessert. So let's enjoy her recipe.
So to make this dessert, we need 500 grams of strawberry, 350 grams condensed milk, 200 grams heavy cream, half cup sugar, 2 yolks, 500 ml of milk. We need some merengues.
And you guys can use any kind of biscuits you find. If you don't find this meringue near to you, you can use whatever you like.
2 tablespoons corn flour, and here is the juice of 1 lemon. Now you start by cutting these strawberries. You can keep few strawberries to do the decoration in the end. We will add the half cup of sugar and the lemon juice. Now we'll let this mixture rest for a few minutes, and then it will release a little bit of liquid. This liquid we are not going to use. We are only going to use the strawberries. Now we start to make the cream. We will mix the ingredients without turn on the oven. So we start by adding the yolks. Now we add the condensed milk. Now we add the heavy cream. At this stage, we turn the oven on. Here you add half of our milk. We will dissolve the corn flour in the rest of the milk. Once our mixture starts boiling, we will add the rest of the milk with the corn flour dissolved on it. So, when your mixture gets this consistency, you can transfer it to another recipient. Here I have 400 ml of whipping cream. we are going to turn it into chantilly. Here is our cream. It's already cold. I am going to prepare our dessert on this cup. First, we will add a spoon of chantilly. Then we will add a spoon of our cream. Now, to decorate, on the laterals we will add some strawberry slices, like this. Like this. In the middle, we will add our strawberry. A bit more of our cream. And then we will end up with our chantilly. On the top, we will add our merengues. Iced strawberry. Another option is we start with the chantilly. Then we add our cream. We add our strawberry. Merengue. Another spoon of our cream. And some pieces of strawberry on the top. And on merengue to finish.
So finally এই হচ্ছে আমাদের strawberry meringue. So let's try now how it is. Looks so good. Taste is also too good, guys. It's really very good dessert. Very good, guys. Very tasty. Especially thanks to my wife to teach me this amazing recipe. You want to try? It's really very good, guys. You guys must try at home and let me know below in the comments. Wow. Thanks for staying with us. See you again with another new recipe. Till then, ciao ciao. Allah Hafiz.